In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Pluto TV not working, app crash, black screen, and playback fix. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. You have to ensure that Wi-Fi or mobile data are functioning properly. Test the connection by opening YouTube or another website. Then you can just restart the router if necessary. Fix 2. Force stop and restart the app. Go to the setting of your TV or devices, then navigate to the apps, and there you have to select Bluetooth TV. Then choose the option called Force Stop to the app, then reopen the Bluetooth TV app again. Fix 3. Clear Bluetooth TV cache and app data. You just have to open the Bluetooth TV app, then navigate to the setting, then click on Apps and Application. Then you have to locate the Bluetooth TV from the list, then choose the Clear Cache, and if necessary you can clear the data too. After clearing that, you just have to reopen the Pluto TV app. Fix 4. Update the Pluto TV app. An outdated app may cause issue. You have to open the App Store or Play Store, or you can open the Roku channel TV store too. Then search for Pluto TV, then tap on the update if update is available. Fix 5. Uninstall and reinstall the Bluetooth TV. You just have to uninstall the Bluetooth TV app from your device, then restart your device to refresh the system. Once that is done, you just have to reinstall the Bluetooth TV app from your App Store or Play Store. So this all help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.